Okay, so here's a little update that I was gonna do on this truck. About 10 months ago or so, I uploaded a video with this truck because it had a VCT phaser, had a VCT phaser rattle at 800 to 1200 RPM. Now, the funny thing is, let me open the hood up so I can hear it better. With this new camera, you'll be able to hear it better than my last video. Okay, so idling, you don't hear the VCT phaser rattle. Okay, we got that narrowed down. So, let's get in the truck. I'm gonna rev it to 800 and you're gonna hear it. Okay, did y'all hear that? Okay, that was the phaser rattle. So now I'm getting to the funny part of it, which I'm trying to find answers on. When you shut these trucks down, when you crank them back up, they automatically have a 800 RPM high idle for a second. Now what's funny is it will rattle at 800 RPMs with my foot on the pedal, but when my foot is not on the pedal, there's 800, no more rattle. Okay, there it just idled down to 750. That's the part I don't understand, is the fact that the phasers make a rattle sound when my foot is on the accelerator, revving it to 800. But when you start it up and it high idles for a second on its own by the computer at 800, it doesn't rattle. See, watch, I'll rev it up to 800 again. See, the rattle's there. And let's shut it off. And let it do the high idle at 800 RPM again on its own. No rattle. I know a lot of you were saying the pin could have fell out and caused the some of you said that, but the pin could have fell out and it's rattling around. But if the pin had fell out, it would rattle at 800 no matter what. So anyway, I don't know what that could possibly be. But anyway, if y'all could just give me any info on this, I'd definitely appreciate it. Thanks.